Hi, folks. Got an incredible $50 instant pay program that I want to share with you. And I'm going to do that in just a moment. I want to share this with you first and then come back and share this incredible program with you. Okay, just wanted to share this with you. Shop FreeMart is my primary business opportunity, and if you're looking for a great program for long-term, lifelong residual income, then this is the program for you. Okay, you're able to earn lifelong, long-term residual income as well as immediate income with our program. We introduce high quality health and wellness products that are affordable to the masses. Okay, we don't have your everyday Me Too products, but we have products that really work, that really help the body to heal itself. Okay, the membership is free. You'll get free access to our Friends social network. You'll have free access to our profit sharing portal, and you have the opportunity to share in up to 90% of the company's profits. Okay, there's no gimmicks, there's no hoops that you have to do in order to receive the profit shares. Okay, there's never an obligation to purchase products. Okay, membership is required in order to purchase products, but again, membership is free. There's no auto ships that you have to be concerned about, and no credit card information is kept on file. Again, we have exceptional products and an exceptional business opportunity with Shop FreeMart. Okay, now let's get back to this incredible new program. I'm also introducing this $50 one-time payment where you can make $50 over and over again. Let's talk about that. Okay, folks, here we are. Okay, it's an instant pay program, a $50 instant pay program. And the question that we're asking people is this: how would you like to receive $50 direct payments to your debit card? You know, that's right. You're one of the first people to get access to this incredible program, this incredible information. Get paid instantly, get paid daily, get paid directly with our instant pay program. Okay. Now, when you pay to get access to the system, it will give you the rights to get $50 payments over and over again. Now, it's just a one-time fee to get started. And I tell you something, this is a real simple program. It's great for those who have experience, and it's also great for those that don't have experience. Okay. And you're going to need two things. That's right. You're going to need two things to get started with us. One, a debit card or bank account, okay, and a Gmail account, okay. And if you don't have a Gmail account, they're absolutely free to get, okay, and that's really a great account to do business with, okay. And what we want you to do is we want you to check out the videos that we have for you, real short, not a whole lot that you have to listen to or get bogged down. They're very short information, but powerful information, okay? And you'll be able to get $50 payments paid direct to you by getting resale rights to the entire system. All right. And again, if you don't have a whole lot of experience in marketing, this is a newbie system as well. Great for those that don't have a lot of experience. In other words, okay, you will be one of the first to get in on something like this. And so we want to encourage you to watch the videos, all right, to see how it all works. It's just two videos, very short, that we'd like you to see. Okay, and you're going to love this program. We really do believe that. And you can get in and get started earning $50 every single day, over and over again. Okay, I'm going to leave the link to Shop FreeMart okay, in the description area of this video, and also going to leave the link to this incredible $50 instant pay program. All right, I'm Terry Brown. I'm signing off, wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. Bye-bye now.